With the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Dear student, today we will discuss second stanza of the poem The Blades of Grass, which is written by Stephen Crane. In the previous stanza, we discussed the paraphrase and some hidden implications, and we also just give brief explanation that what was discussed in the stanza. So today we will discuss the second stanza of the poem. As I told you before, that first of all, when you are going to paraphrase a stanza, so you should go through the stanza very critically, underline the words or the expression that you can change, and you can also give a proper sequence to the ideas. If you consider this one idea, it should be put at the top or in the second position, so you can change the sequence of the ideas. But keep in mind that don't change the nature of the idea. So first of all, you see the stanza, and I underlined some words like presently I can change, said. Presently means like currently, at the moment, after some time. God said, तो यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें, and what did you do? तुमने क्या किया? अगर आप देखें, so in the first stanza, there was a discussion between the God and the blades of grass. But there was one blade of grass which was very much shy and nervous, and he was hiding itself behind others. So now in this stanza, we will talk about, the poet, he is explaining the discussion, the conversation between God and that nervous and that shy little blade of grass. तो God उसे क्या कहता है? Presently God said. तो after some time, God asked that shy blade of grass. थोड़ा सा हम यहाँ पर वजाहत करेंगे ताकि हमें पता चलो कि कौन. तो यहाँ पर चूँकि मैंने बताया कि ये वो छोटे से जो ब्लेड ऑफ ग्रास था उसके हवाले से है, तो हम थोड़ा सा कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसको लिखेंगे ताकि ये पढ़ने वाले को समझ आ सके. So currently, after some time, God asked that shy or nervous blade of grass. उससे पूछा. क्यों मैंने asked इस्तेमाल किया? Because you see in the following line, it is a question is asked. It is in the form of a question. So that's why I put the word asked. And what did you do? अब तुमने क्या किया? मतलब what क्या किया? Now keep in, just recall your memory that what was the situation? The situation was that blade of grass, they were answering their worldly deeds. वो अपने दुनिया के जो आमाल थे उनका हिसाब किताब दे रहे थे. तो यहाँ पर देखें, and what did you do? तो गॉड ने उसे क्या पूछा कि तुमने क्या किया? क्या मतलब है? And how did you spend your life in the world? हम ये कहेंगे ना कि तुमने दुनिया में अपनी ज़िंदगी कैसे बसर की. The little blade answered, oh my Lord. The little blade, so that shy, that nervous blade of grass answered, oh my Lord, oh my Lord, ए मेरे खुदाया. So here, oh my God, oh my Lord, it represents some humbleness. इसमें कुछ आजिज़ी है. तो यहाँ पर हम इस तरह लिखेंगे या इस तरह हम इसको एक्सप्लेन करेंगे कि that nervous, that shy blade of grass answered very humbly. उसने बड़े अज्जाना तौर पर जवाब दिया. Memory is better to me, my Lord. My past memory is not so good. Better to me मतलब ये नहीं कि मेरा जहन जो है वो तल्ख, मतलब it means that my past memory is not so good. किस तरह? For if I did good deeds, I know not of them. अगर मैंने कुछ नेकी के काम किए हैं तो मैं उनके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानता. What does the blade of grass mean here? He means that if I performed some good deeds in my worldly life, I cannot recall it. I cannot remember it. Why? Because my memory is not so much good. क्योंकि मेरा जहन जो है वो इतना तेज़ नहीं है, तो मैंने दुनिया की ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ किया है मुझे वो याद नहीं, मैं उसको याद नहीं कर सकता. So then God in all his splendor, grandeur and brilliance, these are the synonyms. ये synonyms है, मुतरादिफ अल्फाज है, सबके एक मीनिंग है. Splendor, grandeur, brilliance, in a very impressive, in a beautiful way. यानी बहुत एक मुतासिर कुन और एक खूबसूरत अंदाज में. तो हम इस तरह कहेंगे, then God in all his splendor, grandeur, brilliance arose from his throne. God जो है अपने जाह व जलाल, शान व शौकत से अपने जो अर्श थे उससे उठ गए. तो हम क्या कह सकते हैं? So after hearing his answer, God emerged. यहाँ पर मैंने अराउज कर लिया, emerged नमूदार हुए, ज़हूर पजीर हुए. God emerged from his throne were in a very impressive and majestic way. तो मैंने यहाँ पर ये स्प्लेंडर, ग्रेंजर और ब्रिलियंस को मैंने कहा इन अ वेरी इम्प्रेसिव एंड मैजेस्टिक वे. एक ही मीनिंग है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा हमने अल्फाज को उस प्रॉपरली जगह पर हमने सेट किया. ओ बेस्ट लिटिल ब्रेड ऑफ ग्रास, ही सेड. गॉड ने कहा कि तुम जो हो तुम सबसे बेहतर हो. एंड डिक्लेयर्ड हिज आंसर द बेस्ट अमंग अदर, और उसके आंसर को दूसरों में बेहतरीन करार दिया. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने अगर दुनिया में कुछ काम किया है तो इसे गरज से नहीं किया कि उसे उसका कुछ बदला मिलेगा, कुछ अजर मिलेगा, लेकिन उसने ऐसे अच्छे काम किया और फिर उसको भूल गया. निकी भी वो है ना, डू गुड एंड फॉरगेट इट. इसका अगर हम थीम निकालेंगे ना शॉर्टली, सो इसका थीम वही होगा, डू गुड एंड फॉरगेट इट. निकी कर दरिया में डाल, मतलब उसको बार बार जताने की और बार बार याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. निकी अगर इंसान करता है तो सिर्फ अल्लाह की खुशनुदी के लिए करना चाहिए और फिर उसको भूलना चाहिए. तो अल्लाह के नज़दीक वही नेकी जो है वो सबसे बेहतर है और उसका यकीनन इंसान को बड़ा अजर मिलेगा. अगेन लेट्स लुक एट हियर. प्रेजेंटली गॉड सेड, व्हाट डिड यू डू, व्हाट डिड यू डू. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम गॉड आस्क्ड दैट शाई लिटिल ब्लेड ऑफ ग्रास that how did you spend your life in the world. The little blade answered, oh my Lord, memory is better to me. That little blade of grass answered very humbly, that my Lord, my past memory is not so good. For if I did good deeds, I know not of them. If I performed some good, some virtuous actions in my worldly life, I cannot remember, I cannot recall it. Then God in all his splendor, grandeur, brilliance arose from his throne. After hearing his answer, Almighty God, he emerged from his throne in a very impressive and majestic way and declared his answer the best among others. और उसके वजह जो आपको दूसरे में बेहतरीन करार दिया. So again, let me just tell you, here I will just paraphrase, you should look at here. After some time, God asked that shy blade of grass about his worldly life. The little blade of grass answered, the little blade of grass replied in a very humble way, my Lord, my past memory is not so good. If I have performed some good deeds in my worldly life, I cannot recall it. So by hearing his answer, Almighty God, he emerged from his throne in a very impressive and majestic way and declared his answer the best among others. This is how we mean by paraphrasing. As I told you before, in the paraphrasing, you have to do nothing except change the poetic poem into prosic poem. Here it is in the form of a stanza, but when we will just convert it in the paraphrasing, so we will write it in a short paragraph. So I hope that you understood it. And inshallah, in the next lecture, we will discuss reference to the context, its theme, and other things. So just watch the video again and again. If you have any difficulty, so my WhatsApp number is there. You can contact me, you can text me. Inshallah, I will make you understand. Thank you very much.